Hello guys, today we are going to be doing an Imagination Planet project by using WebQuest to explain how we're going to officially do this. So first I'm going to hit present just to show you what the kids will be seeing. That's what the kids will see. And as you can see, this is by Sandy Costa, Rachel Perry, and Kristen Caldwell. They're right here and they would like to say hello, so they're going to say hello.
Hello. Hi.
See, there you go. All right, now in the introduction, this is how we're going to start everything off today. The solar system is comprised of 8 planets that orbit around a massive ball of hot gas. That's known as the sun. And over here we have Rachel Perry cringing at this because I don't know why. But each planet is unique in its own way. They have all characteristics that make them different from each other. And so the task at hand is by the end of this web quest, the students will be able to 1. Research the solar system and each of the 8 planets. Create a unique, individualized planet using the characteristics from your research. And 3, use your creativity to make your planet come to life and provide a picture of your planet for the class to see. The process, what you have to trust. Step 1, the teacher will pair you into a group with a partner. Read about the solar system from the links provided. And then step 3, as you explore each of those links provided, fill out the graphic organizer given by your teacher individually. So don't work with your partner just yet. Don't cheat. We don't like cheaters. Go to Liberty University. Step 4, after you have filled out the graphic organizer individually, discuss your findings with your partner. So finally, now you can work with your partner. Step 5, now taking the information you've gathered, choose at least 3 characteristics to create your own unique planet with your partner. So you're going to work together. Be cohesive. Step 6, draw a picture of your planet with your partner and list and explain the features on the planet and explain which real-life planets inspired those features. Step 7, now acting as scientists, create a journal entry about discovering your planet and each of the characteristics it includes. Step 8, share your journal entries with your classmates and discuss each of their differing characteristics. That's an email. Hopefully that didn't get on there. Anyway, the links are provided below. And the evaluation, this is our rubric system that we have set up for the kids. This is just going to get in depth with how they're getting graded, what they're going to get points taken off for. So level 4 is they excelled at everything to the best of their possible ability. Not just the planet that they created, but they listed all the characteristics from the different planets. They explained everything well, and they completed the graphic organizer. And then it slightly decreases in level 3 and level 2, and level 1 is just awful. The students created a poor planet with little to no effort. They listed 0 to 1 characteristics of real-life planets, and they poorly drew an image of their planet, or decided not to even draw a picture. So just awful. It's not what we're trying to go for. We need level 4s, not level 1s here. And conclusion, as teachers, you want to make sure that the students are having fun with their assignment. That's first and foremost, hence why it's in all caps. And so thank you all for your hard work is what you should tell your kids. And feel free to ask the teacher if they have any questions. And make sure you tell them to not forget to share their creation with their classmates. And so that is Some Galaxy. And those are the credits. And thank you for your time. And that took way longer than I anticipated. So have a great day.